Hello there and most welcome to our channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the progress bar. We have like different locations like here Germany, UK, Italy, France and etc. We have the target here and we have done or completion. So we are going to create their chart graph. Okay, so I will just remove this one and delete. Then I'm coming here to put equal sign and repeat. Okay, start the bracket and I will write quotation, double quotation and shift, hold shift and this sign, then double quotation, comma, then here the done, divide by the target here, then multiply war star sign with 100 times. Okay, then close the bracket and put here end, then write here text, start bracket and here the done, it is I6, then I will put here I6, divide by target is this one. Okay, then comma, double quotation again and 0, write 0 and percentage sign, shift and percentage, then double quotation, close the bracket and enter. Okay, so we have just created the chart. Then I'm going here to change here, like I will write here playbill. Okay, and I will select this one. Look here, we have created a chart graph. I will just copy the same information or formula to other rows as well. Look here, it is the percentage for Germany and UK, also Italy, France and other countries. If you want to just change here, like here is the target and here is completed, it means this is 100%. When I change here to done to other 40, it will change automatically. When I just increase this one to 40, it will just change automatically. When also I will just increase, it will change. When I change it to 55, it will change to 100%. When I just reduce here to 12, it will reduce. Okay, for 9, it will change automatically. When I just increase, it will be automatically changing. Okay, so like I will change here to 40, it will change automatically. So this was about the bar graph and chart graph, how to create an Excel sheet. I hope you learned many things from it and stay tuned for other same information and tutorials. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.